what you want to do when you first get some beans, I like to take them out of the package, sort through them, and sort them out. You can do it on a sheet pan or anything, and sift through them. Find sometimes they'll have rocks in there that you might want to pick, that you're gonna want to pick out, and just make sure they're no dirt, no rocks, no twigs, no nothing in there, and then wash them out just under the sink with some water. After I sort the beans and clean them, I'm going to dump them in my little crock pot. These are Pinto beans, by the way, and you can cook them in a pot on the stove, or you can cook them on a crock pot. Crock pot's pretty easy. Just fill them up, and then you're going to want to put some water. Crock pot, you can just turn it on low if you want, or high, depending on how much time you have. And just leave them. You just want to come back and check, make sure that there's still plenty of water in there. And some people put onion with it when I cook. I don't. I put salt, and I just turn it on low and let it cook, and we'll be back in a little bit to check on it. Like I said, make sure the water don't run low as it cooks, and it's pretty easy, so we'll come back and check on it. Okay, I've let these beans cook for about 8 hours. The benefit of cooking them in a crock pot is you can put them in there, put them on low, and let them cook all day. I've refilled them once with water, or not refilled them, but just filled it up a little. And this is what you get. This is your base for refried beans right here, and or else you can eat them whole like this. Some people put these with this broth in here, and with this broth in here, and cilantro, onion, or salsa, or anything that's really good. But I made a video on rice. Now here's a video on beans. With these two things, you can feed an army. So we'll probably do a video on refried beans next. There you go.